You ever been walking in a store and an ad for a product you just thought about, but never said out loud pops up on your phone? Or maybe you were talking to a friend about a topic, and seconds later, it appears on your Instagram feed. For many of us, these experiences seem like a coincidence, but it's not. This is a small part of a new reality we are all living in. Today, we're here to talk about how AI is not just analyzing our past, but is actively writing our future. This video will explain how accurately AI can predict our behaviors, our decisions, and even our emotions. We'll explore how this power is gaining control over every aspect of our lives. Most importantly, we'll ask what free will means in this new world. This isn't just a video about technology, it's about understanding the new age of digital surveillance we're in. The AI, that is its architect. So, how does AI do this? The answer lies in the ocean of data we leave behind. Today, every single move we make online leaves a digital footprint. Our social media likes, our searches, the articles we read, the videos we watch, even how long we stare at a photo are all part of this footprint. And our biometric data is adding to this. Our smartwatches track our heart rate, our sleep patterns, and the number of steps we take. Each of these data points is a priceless treasure for an AI algorithms combine. These fragments to not only create your identity today, but also to build your probable identity in the future. This data isn't just an input for an algorithm, it's the DNA of your digital clone. By analyzing this DNA, AI can predict your next vacation, whether you'll apply for a new job, and even when your next big life event will be. These predictions are no longer just possibilities. They are becoming prophecies. AI's predictive power is being used everywhere, from business to politics. Commerce, e-commerce giants don't just look at what you add to your cart. They look at how long you look at a product, or where you click on a page to know your next purchase before you do. For example, they can say, there's an 80% chance this person will buy this product in the next 2 days. This turns marketing from a passive activity into an active tool of persuasion. Politics by analyzing social media data. AI can predict which candidate a voter will support, which issues they are sensitive about, and which types of propaganda they are most susceptible to. This is a terrifying reality that has the potential to manipulate democratic processes on a massive scale. Criminal justice, perhaps? One of the most controversial examples is pre-crime predictions. Some AI systems are analyzing past crime data to predict a person's likelihood of committing a specific crime. While it seems useful for fighting crime, this raises serious ethical questions and threatens fundamental legal principles like presumption of innocence. Health AI is now analyzing massive data sets of medical records, lifestyle habits, and even genetic codes to predict a person's likelihood of developing a disease years before any symptoms appear. While this offers a ray of hope for early diagnosis and preventative medicine, it creates huge ethical problems about how this highly personal information might be used by insurance companies or employers. Will a future where your genetic destiny is an open book be one of health or one of discrimination? AI is no longer just a processor. It is a seer, and it's shaping the future it predicts, whether we like it or not. So, what does all of this mean for us? If an AI can predict our next decision, our next action, and even our next thought, where does our free will begin and end? Are we truly making our own choices? Or are we just predictable puppets following an algorithm's script? This is not just a technological advancement, it's an existential challenge. Historically, we have defined ourselves by our autonomy, our capacity for unexpected decisions, and our intuitive thinking. But if AI is surpassing us in this area too, if it can model our minds with more accuracy than we can understand ourselves, what is left to define our humanity? The concept of privacy is also fundamentally changing. It's no longer just about the disclosure of secret information. It's about information about ourselves, our most intimate desires, our future choices, our very sense of self that we don't even know yet being revealed to an algorithm. This brings us to a crucial question. Who is in control of this predictive power? Is it a benevolent tool for a better society, or a weapon for control and manipulation? We are standing at a crossroads. And the decisions we make now will determine whether this technology becomes a force for good or a digital prison of our own making. Since humans discovered fire, we have always tried to build the future. For centuries, we have used our tools to shape the world around us, from the wheel to the printing press. Now, we are handing this task over to a machine we created with our own hands. AI is becoming not just an observer of our future, but its architect. This power offers us infinite possibilities, from a world without disease to an end to human error. But it also asks us the biggest questions in human history. Technology is like a mirror. When we look back, we don't just see the technology. We see ourselves, we see our hopes, our fears, our ingenuity, and our capacity for both creation and destruction. Now we are looking into the mirror of AI. And what do we see? Do we see a world of infinite possibility? Where AI frees us from the mundane and allows us to reach our full potential? Or do we see a pre-written destiny? A future where our choices are just data points, and our lives are just an algorithm's script. The old questions of philosophy, free will, determinism, the nature of consciousness are no longer just academic debates. They are urgent, practical problems that we must solve right now as a species. Our actions today will decide whether we become the masters of our digital creations or their subjects. The choice, for now, is still ours to make. Are you truly free? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share what you think about this topic. Whether ANTI-NICHEE's ability to predict our behavior scares or excites you in the comments below.